Hi students, problem number 4. An object is placed at a certain distance from a convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter. Find the object distance if the image obtained is magnified 4 times. So what are the given quantities I am going to write? The focal length of a convex lens is positive. So f is positive. So this is a plus 20 centimeter. And the magnification is 4. So from this we have to find the object distance. Now I will write a magnification m is equal to v by u. So the formula for the magnification of a mirror we have studied, m is equal to minus v by u. But for the lens it is what? Plus v by u. So m is equal to plus v by u. So what is the relationship between v and u? Therefore what is v is now equal to m into u. So m is 4. Therefore v is now equal to 4 times u. So this is the relationship between v and u. Now I will apply this in lens equation. So in lens equation I will substitute. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So this is the lens equation. Okay. So in place of 1 by f I can substitute 1 by 20. So this is 1 by 20 is now equal to v equal to 4u. So in place of v I will substitute 1 by 4u minus 1 by u. So LCM here is 4u. So I will take this as a 4u. So this is 1 minus 4. So this is now equal to minus 3 divided by 4u. So 1 by 20 is now equal to minus 3 by 4u. Or 4 into u. Left hand side becomes what? 4 into u is equal to minus 3 into 20. So this is equal to minus 60. Or u is now equal to minus 60 divided by 4. So 15 fours are 60. So this is equal to minus 15. Therefore the object distance is now equal to minus 15 centimeter. So it's a very small, okay, and a simple numerical problem only. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.